And further, Russia and China have both stepped up the humanitarian aid to the Iran, aiding it's happening right now in the thick of US and Israeli military operation that have caused massive civilian hardship in Iran. Russia is leading the way for the major country to deliver actual on-the-ground humanitarian assistance. Just in the last couple of days, March 12 and 13, 2026, Russia Emergency Situation Ministry flew in IL-76 heavy transport aircraft, that's beast of the plane often used for emergency deliveries. On board, more than 13 tons of urgently needed medical supplies. Think first aid kits, medicines, and the equipment to help treat to the wounded. This was done directly on the order from the President Vladimir Putin. The cargo flew to the Azerbaijan first for the secure handoff, then crossed the border into Iran via trucks at the extra checkpoints. Why does this matter? The conflict has reportedly damaged dozens, even up to 77 in some claims. Some of the Irani hospital, clinics and medical facilities, civilian including women and children, are being in the brunt. Russia's move is clear, it shows the solidarity is deepening the ties with Tehran without jumping into the direct military involvement. Remember, Moscow's got its handful elsewhere. This just isn't just a talk. Intangible help arriving when Iran's healthcare system is under the serious strain. Now let's talk about the China. They're coming in with more targeted, symbolic but meaningful gestures. On March 13, China Foreign Ministry announced that Red Cross Society of China is providing $200,000 in emergency humanitarian aid. This money is going straight to the Iranian Red Crescent Society. The focus: supporting families devastated by specific tragedy. The deadly strike in the elementary schools in Mina, southern Iran. Reports said that students, including young girls, were killed in the China's called indiscriminate attack on civilian target. Beijing expressed the deep condolence, stressed that attack on schools and children crossed basic humanitarian lines, and made it clear that they are ready to offer more help if needed. While $200,000 might sound modest compared to the Russian tonnage, it's tied directly to the heartbreaking civilian incident, and it's a part of China's broader stance, strong diplomatic condemnations of the strike, calls of de-escalation but staying firmly in the non-military lane.